I'm putting earrings in. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing an iPhone unboxing type of video. My address is on there. I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. See my address again? So yeah, I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is an unboxing and setting up type of video. So it came with this thing and it said to read it first. It's activation instructions, so that's cool. Maybe I should not show that. So I got a SIM card. I have one already though on my old phone. I have a SIM card in here, so I might just put the old one in this phone. And then this is the phone. This is the phone. I got it in silver. Yeah, iPhone 12 Pro Max silver, 128 gigabytes because I need the space. It's been like an hour or something and I totally forgot what I was doing. I'm gonna open it now. So it's sealed. I don't really know how I'm supposed to open this. Oh. I guess like that. Okay, satisfying. Love that. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at it. Okay, I've actually never seen this color. It's so cute. It comes with a plug, but no box. It's insane. You pay so much and it doesn't even come with a charger or headphones. Look at that! Oh, that is so cute. I love that. Is it dead? I think I'm supposed to charge it. Oh, just kidding. I got it. Okay. So it says hello. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna be doing English. I'm scared I did this wrong. I'm really excited though. I've been wanting this phone for a while and every time I went to go get it, they did not have any colors I wanted. They only had blue and I did not like the blue. Like, I looked at it and I was like, no, that's not for me. And then I went to T-Mobile like a couple of days ago and they said they had a black one and then they checked and they didn't. They only had blue. So that sucked. So I ordered it online. Okay, so swipe to get started. Oh my god, like everything sunk in my phone, everything. The display, like the brightness was so low. I don't know if it's just me. I put my brightness up so high. I put the volume up. I put the brightness up all the way. I have to have it bright. When it's dull, it makes me like mad. It's the next day and I ended up, I set up as much as I could last night, but it was like 1 in the morning, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna finish filming it tomorrow. But I'm gonna screen record my phone and show you how I set it up because I ended up setting it up and I had to restart it because all my pictures from my old phone sunk into this phone. And I was so mad because when I get a new phone, I love a fresh start, like no photos, no apps, no emails, nothing. But that's my wallpaper. It's this really cute like collage of sage green. So then you open up my phone and I have like the basic apps. I have the basic apps the phone comes with, and then over here I got these like widget things. So I got this affirmation one and then a motivational one, so I get quotes every time I open up my phone and it like changes. So right now it says, whenever I fall down I get back up again. And then don't talk, just act. Don't say, just show. Don't promise, just prove. So it changes up from like 7 to 10 p.m. And then in this little folder I have my utilities, so that's just like the stuff the phone came with. And then all my social media stuff. I have like VSCO, Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, Spotify, TikTok, and then I put my contacts in there, and then this app called Flow. And then I have like a YouTube and editing type of folder. So yeah, basic stuff like YouTube Studio, PixArt, Fonto, my email, and then I have like entertainment, so YouTube, Disney Plus, Netflix, HBO, you know. And then I have a shopping, and this is a gluten-free scanner, so when I go to the store I can make sure stuff is gluten-free. And then this app I actually wanted to leave. So yeah, that is everything on the phone. I love this phone so much. I did not expect the camera quality and everything to be so good. I'm obsessed with it. I love it, and I'm really excited that I got it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this video was like super short, but if you guys liked it, be sure to like the video, be sure to subscribe, and turn on my post notification bell to get notifications when I post, and follow my socials. They will be down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!